Welcome to my channel. Today we're in the heart of Paris, exploring one of its most iconic landmarks, Les Invalides, a masterpiece of classical architecture where golden light meets centuries of French history. I travel for you, so sit back, relax, and let's begin. And if you enjoy discovering beautiful places and timeless stories from around the world, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps me bring you more journeys like this one. Les Invalides was built in the 17th century by order of Louis XIV, a refuge for soldiers who had served and sacrificed for France. Today it stands as both a museum and a memorial, a tribute to courage, honor, and art. As we approach the grand facade, you can sense the weight of history. Behind these walls once lived more than 4,000 veterans. They had their own chapel, dormitories, hospital, and workshops, a community built on service, pride, and care. In many ways, this was one of the earliest examples of social welfare in Europe, centuries ahead of its time. Today, the complex is home to several museums, the most renowned being the Musée de l'Armée, one of the largest military museums in the world. Inside, centuries of history unfold through armor, uniforms, weapons, and personal relics, tracing France's evolution from the age of chivalry to the world wars of the 20th century. Yet beyond its displays of battle, the museum tells a deeper story, one of ingenuity, artistry, and the enduring spirit that helped shape modern France.
Au drapeau.
Thank you for joining me on this walk through Les Invalides. Which historic place in Paris would you like to explore next? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cinematic walks around the world.